Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about some specialized product which has been used in the process or the machines, which is a bicolor tower lamp. In generally on the machines, CNC machines or the status indication of any process, tricolor or bicolor or two-tier or three-tier tower lamps are being used. In this, these explains the different status like green is okay, amber is trip, or red is something fault is there. So these are generally three status given in three tiers. But that much length is many times it is not been feasible or it cannot be used. So Mimic has developed a particular lamp which is called as bicolor tower lamp. In this bicolor tower lamp, what happens when you give a supply to the red terminal, it will glow red. When you give supply to the green, it give, in the same area it will glow green. Also, we are having tricolor lamps also, tower lamps also. In this, three wires are there: red, green, and amber. So the same area you get the three colors. So this purpose has been served. Not a single color at a time is being, not two colors at a time are being blown. So this is the right application for right purpose. Also, there are variations in this, like red will be flashing, green will be steady. That operation is also there. I'll show you here. It is red is flashing and green is steady. So this is also required, and this also we give. So this video is there to explain you what is the new product range come out in Mimic of tower lamp, bicolor, red flashing and green steady, or red steady, green steady, or tricolor, red steady, green steady, amber steady. If you want more details about the voltages and the lumens or whatever technical details you want, you can write back to us on mimic.cells@gmail.com, or you can contact me directly. My name is Anand. My number is 9821252022. It's a WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me also. Thank you.